money, and the peace of mind you've earned often go hand in hand. But a surprising number of people in the UK are currently missing out on a vital financial boost that they are fully entitled to. I'm talking about pension credit. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All figures are correct as of May 2026. Please visit the official UK government website for the most current rates and personal eligibility. Now, let's begin. If you or someone you know is over 50, this next 7 minutes could change your retirement. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and embarrassment to get you the money you deserve, so you can finally have peace of mind in your older age. Here's the hard truth. The government estimates that a staggering 850,000 eligible households are currently missing out on pension credit. That's nearly 1 million people, leaving free money on the table. Today, we're going to change that. So, what exactly is pension credit? In short, it's a tax-free payment from the government that tops up your weekly income. It's designed specifically for people who are on a low income and have reached state pension age, which is currently 66. For the 2026 to 2027 tax year, if you're single and your weekly income is below £238, you could be entitled to a top-up. If you're in a couple, your combined weekly income needs to be below £363.25. And here's the really good part. If you're eligible, the average payout is around £4,300 a year. That is not small change. That is the difference between worrying about bills and being able to enjoy a few simple pleasures. But the value doesn't stop there. This is the part most people don't know. Once you receive pension credit, it acts like a gateway benefit. That means you unlock a whole bunch of other financial help, including winter fuel payment, support to help with your heating bills during the cold months, council, tax reduction, lower bills from your local council, a free TV license if you're aged 75 or over, help with NHS costs, including dental treatment, sight tests, and travel costs. Now, if you've spent the last 40 or 50 years working hard, raising a family, paying your national insurance contributions, and never relying on the state for a penny, the idea of applying for a benefit can feel wrong. Like you're somehow failing or begging for a handout you haven't earned. I get it. I've seen it with my own eyes. Wonderful, hard-working people who have given everything to this country, suddenly feeling a sense of shame when they start to struggle in their later years. A report from Royal London found that over a third of UK pensioners feel uncomfortable or embarrassed asking for help. Many have told charities they feel like a beggar or a failure for even considering it. Let me be absolutely clear about this. There is no shame in claiming pension credit. This is not charity. This is not a handout. You paid into the system your entire working life through your taxes and national insurance. This is your money coming back to you. It is designed to ensure that people like you can live out their retirement with dignity and peace of mind. The second big barrier is confusion. So let's clear that up right now. Here is exactly how you check and claim. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Grab your national insurance number and details of your income, savings, and investments. Head over to the official pension credit calculator on the gov.uk website. It will take you through the process step by step and tell you if you're likely to be eligible. Step 2. Apply online, by phone or by post. Online is the easiest and fastest way on the gov.uk website. By phone, call the Pension Credit Claim Line directly on 0800 99 1234. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. A friend or family member can even call for you if you cannot use the phone. Or by post, you can request a paper application form and mail it in. Step 3. Ask for backdating. This is one more important thing most people miss. You can ask for your claim to be backdated by up to 3 months. This means you could receive a larger first payment, covering any time you were eligible for, but not yet receiving the money. Processing update. The DWP has confirmed that nearly 78% of all new pension credit claims are processed within 50 working days. So the wait isn't usually long. Look, I know applying for any kind of financial support can feel daunting. But I urge you, do not let pride or fear prevent you from securing the comfortable retirement you worked so hard for. The most common reason people don't apply is they simply don't think they'll qualify. Or they don't realize that having your own home or having some savings in the bank doesn't automatically disqualify them. Yes, savings over £10,000 will affect the amount you receive. But here is what most people don't know. Even if you have savings above that threshold, you may still qualify for something. The rules around savings are more flexible than most people think. A small amount above the threshold reduces your payment gradually, rather than eliminating it entirely. So please, do not assume you won't qualify before you check. The only way to know for certain is to use the free calculator on gov.uk. Takes less than 10 minutes and could be worth thousands of pounds to you. Think of that extra £4,300 a year. The peace of mind, the lighter financial load, the ability to say yes to a takeaway or a day out. You have absolutely earned that right. So here is your call to action. 1. Do not be one of the 850,000 people leaving money on the table. You paid into this system your entire working life. It is time the system paid you back. Check the link below. Do it today. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who might be struggling. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you applied for pension credit? Just yes or no. Having that extra money is a huge step towards protecting both your health and your happiness. Thanks for watching Simply Aging UK. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.